What's the power of Tsugami? How about 70,000 pieces on the day a machine arrives? Jeremy, that's a real story, isn't it?
It's real for this machine right here. We were unwrapping the plastic off the machine, and I get a phone call saying, "Hey, we hear you got a new Swiss machine. We want to talk to you about an order." And by the end of the week, we had a 70,000 piece order for a brand new machine.
That's what happens when you invest in the right technology. People take notice and go, I want to be a part of that too.
Yeah.
But did that take what? An average 15, 20, 30 type of weeks? Obviously, I'm saying that because it's not. How quickly did that machine get to you?
From PO, I believe we had it about 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
About 3 weeks.
I mean, that's almost unheard of.
It was at the time, especially. This was COVID era. You couldn't get machines. Some of the competitors were telling me 24 weeks on machines, and we were ready to invest. So that was another reason we went with Tsugami.
Well, you had the 1998 model. We just discussed that, the importance of service and support. These friends that have grown to be almost family, I would imagine at this point, because I see additional machines. Well, you didn't stop with just the one that came in after 3 weeks. You added 2 more onto that. What has Tsugami allowed you to do? The flexibility, precision, accuracy, small diameter stuff that maybe you weren't able to do previously.
Yeah, I mean, just the tooling power in the machines, the capability of the machines, there's flexibility in tooling. It just opened so many more doors of machined parts that we couldn't make before. The milling capabilities, the drilling capabilities, high pressure coolants. We've got fire suppression systems that allow us to be able to run safely overnight. It really just opened more doors for us and more industries that we could learn and run in. So,
Jeremy, it's always fascinating to see a young man like yourself embrace the manufacturing world, go from the machining side of things into the ownership side of things, to see the growth. U.S. manufacturing is something I'm passionate about. I see a giant flag right over there, so it's obvious that you're passionate about it as well. So guys, I'd like to just close this whole thing out by all of us thanking Jeremy and embracing U.S. manufacturing. If you'd like to know more about Coffey Machining Group, by all means, reach out to MTD, reach out to my buddy Jeremy, reach out to Tsugami. Jeremy, we really appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
And look forward to seeing you again with the new double, triple, quadruple size expansion I'm sure the future holds. Well, we all know I'm kind of a hot mess, but here I am today in the food truck of a hot mess as well. And after learning about all of that technology at Coffey Machining Group, I had to get a bite to eat. So if you're interested in learning more about Coffey, it is COFFEYMG.com, coffeymg.com. Yes, this is a young and upcoming and growing manufacturing plant that is a job shop ready to take on your type of work. And not just that, they are here for you to make sure you're taken care of. They will adapt to your needs and give them the difficult parts. They're ready to take on any project you send their way. In the meantime, yeah, I'm a hot mess, we know, and I'm going to enjoy this burrito. Thank you all for watching. We do appreciate you. That was good. That was really good.